Classes, committees, and your career. In this week's Bay East Buzz, you'll discover virtual and in-person services to grow your business. If you are a new member, Bay East classes are a great place to start. An introduction to Paragon, closing transactions, and building your team are just a few of the classes and webinars we offer. If you are a seasoned agent, attending education classes are a great way to stay up to date with tools and products and learn new skills such as commercial real estate and property management. Visit our website, bayeast.org, and click Bay East On Demand under the Education tab to view and register for classes. We understand there may be times when you will need additional help or have specific questions about a product or service. Our solution is to offer one-on-one training sessions with our MLS Tech Trainer. To sign up for a training, go to the MLS tab of our website, select Grab and Go. From there, you will see the MLS training appointments now available, and you can select a date and time that works for your schedule. Grab and Go videos can also be found on this page. We offer more than 100 brief how-to videos that walk you through the transaction process, creating CMAs, tax information, and more. Our tech support is also available via phone or web chat Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5:30 p.m., with hands-on computer repair available by appointment only on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Call the tech department at 925-730-7100 to make an appointment. We also offer professional headshots. You can make an appointment to meet with our professional photographer who uses various beautiful locations outside of the Bay East Member Service Center in Pleasanton. Visit bayeast.org/Bay East Headshot to book your appointment. Another valuable benefit Bay East offers that can really boost your business and professional network is joining a committee. Serving on a Bay East committee creates opportunities to make new contacts, stay informed about industry trends and community issues, and have a voice in shaping the association's direction. All of this helps you grow professionally no matter where you are in your real estate career. You can find a list of all the committees we offer on our website by clicking Leadership under the Resources tab. Bay East understands your needs as a real estate professional. You can find a list of all of the benefits Bay East offers on our website at bayeast.org under the Resources tab. We look forward to seeing you in a class, on a committee, and as you grow as a real estate professional. Thanks for watching.